Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, and currently nandito tayo ngayon sa isang subdivision in Baguio City, and I wanted to give you an update of this house na due for turnover na before the year ends. And sa ngayon, talagang ilang araw na lang ito turnover na ito sa owners, kaya overtime talaga. And yung ibang mga workers, they don't really have a holiday kasi kailangan talaga itong tapusin or i-turn over nga before 2023. Kaya let me show to you kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari before the turnover. Ongoing ang painting dito sa may gate, and of course it's expected na medyo makalat pa talaga sa ngayon since nasa finishing stage na itong bahay na ito. And our workers are currently having their lunch, kaya probably unahin muna nating i-tour yung sa may second floor. And by the way, kasama ko rin pala ngayon yung ating broker and yung architect to check on the progress nitong bahay na ito. So, akyat na lang muna tayo sa second floor. Ayan, so definitely we will be adding railings dito sa side na yan. This is the stairway going up to the second floor. Ayan. Pagkaakyat dito sa stairway na ito, we have two rooms on the left and we have one room dito nga sa right side. So, unahin muna natin itong first bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. Ayan, as you can see, it's very spacious, and in fact, sa sobrang luwang niya, pwede nga siyang maging parang living room dito sa second floor. And I'll just be giving to you the final look of this area pag talagang natapos na siya. This is the toilet and bath. Ayan, so yung mga tiles na nandyan are a selection of our clients. So kung ano nga ba yung gusto ng ating mga clients, we have to follow it. We also have this room na pwedeng gawing walk-in closet ng ating client. And from here, meron tayong sliding door leading sa kanilang balcony, and you will surely love yung view from this house. Kaya punta muna tayo dito sa labas. Ayan, so this is the view of the neighborhood. Ayan, pero mas maganda yung view doon sa kabilang side. Ayan, kaya puntahan natin. So, mayroon pa tayong space here. Pwede silang mag-coffee here. They can set up a small coffee table dito sa area na to, or they can also do gardening in this area kasi yung view from here is really nice. Ayan, o, diba? You have that mountain view every single day na you would wake up. Ganyan talaga yung view niya dito. Ayan. So, now, let's go doon sa other side of the second floor. Ayan, so ito yung isang room, and we have another room dito. So unahin muna natin itong nasa dulo na room. Medyo nahirapan lang ako maglakad-lakad dito sa loob kasi napakadami pa talagang gamit here. Ayan, but this room has this sliding door then leading to this balcony, and kung nagtataka kayo kung ano yung parang site na yan na dinidevelop, it's gonna be a condominium. So alam nyo na, I will be posting updates about the progress of that condominium next time. But here, ayan, may paikot siyang balcony, and of course the view here talaga is super nice. That's the Luwakan Airport doon banda. Ayan, so if you're also interested na mag-invest dito sa subdivision na ito, you can just send me a message. And now, tara naman sa may first floor nitong bahay na ito. So, here pala, may parang window rin tayo dito. Ayan. So, sobrang hangin. Ito yung balcony nung master's bedroom. Ayan, dyan siya tatagos. And let's go down dito sa kanilang first floor to check yung kanilang living room and yung kanilang kitchen. So, yung nakikita ninyong mga cabinets dyan, those are modular cabinets. Kaya if you're also interested na magpagawa ng modular cabinets sa inyong bedroom, sa inyong kitchen, then you can also send us a message. This house pala is not for sale. It's already sold kasi this one is a customized house na pinagawa ng ating client sa atin. Kaya in the future na gusto nyo rin magpagawa ng bahay or magpa-renovate ng bahay dito sa Baguio City, then just simply send us a message. Yung builder pala natin is jpT. You can send them directly a message or you can also send a message sa ating Facebook page. And in order for you to get a discount, ayan, so just simply take a screenshot of the discount code and send it to us pag nag-i-inquire kayo. Kasi sayang din ang discount na pwede namin ibigay sa inyo. Going back nga dito sa kitchen, ito yung ating mga modular cabinet. So, ongoing yung installation niya dito sa ating kitchen area. Ayan. So, this one is a very nice idea rin, diba? Pag magpapagawa kayo ng cabinets na nasa corner, ayan, diba? So, pagbukas mo, parang it will open yung 2 doors ng ating cabinet at the same time. Ayan. So, everything is customized, whatever you prefer for your cabinets. Ayan, pwede nating gawin yan. And ayan, tomorrow I will be showing to you na lang yung complete or yung finished na setup dito sa ating kitchen. We also have this overhead cabinets here. Lahat ito modular cabinets. And ayan, medyo madumi pa siya, pero tomorrow we will be removing all of this plastic film covering itong ating modular cabinets. Ayan. So, that's how it looks like inside. And syempre maglalagay rin tayo ng lights dito sa ating kitchen para talagang sobrang ganda or cozy rin siya every time na magluluto yung ating client. So, after here, behind this kitchen na ito, we have another room. Pwede siyang maging bedroom. Pwede rin naman itong i-convert into a pantry area nila. And right next to this room is yung ating toilet and bath. Ayan. So, ganyan muna yung kanyang itsura as of now. Then, lastly, tara naman sa labas. And, ayan, we have another door here leading now to this area outside of the main house. So, kumbaga, hindi nila sinagad yung kanilang property. Naglagay sila ng easement or setback para they can freely go around their house. Ayan. So, they can do gardening here, pwede silang mag-barbecue. Ayan, so that's the water tank sa banda doon. And again, on this side, may setback ulit. Yan, let me show this area to you. So doon na banda sa harapan yung papunta sa ating main door and sa may garage na area. Ayan, so siguro in just a few days time, I will be making another video na yung talagang completely for turnover na itong bahay na ito. So dito sa side na to, this is where we can find yung kanilang garage. Ayan, so dyan sa baba. Anyway, I will be talking about the details or the other details in our next video pag na-turn over na siya. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in our next vlog.